Hello Kerry-Ann, this is Aaron from Boss Motors. I'm making this video especially for you. This is the 2009 Lexus RX350. It currently has just over 106,000 miles on it. The asking price is $11,888 plus HST and licensing. As you can see, it's very clean and it comes fully certified. We just replaced the tires with all new tires and we replaced the brakes with all new brakes. So 5-seater, 4-door, leather interior, block inside, block outside, wooden wheel on the outside. Comes with navigation, ABS brakes, air conditioning, heating on the outside. Very spacious in the trunk. As you can see, it's in great condition. If you'd like to come to Boss Motors to take a test drive, you're more than welcome to. If you have any questions, you can call me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213. I'd like to thank you for your time and I hope you have a great day.